Okay, everybody, so I got tired of trying to figure out who and what parts and what is everything needed for an engine block heater for a 2015 to 2021 WRX STI. So right here I have this part number, and this is what has everything that's needed for the WRX STI. So the hardest problem is getting the block plug off. So if we can look in here, you can see that that's where the block heater is going to go. Here are the plugs side by side. This is something that I wish that somebody would have already made a video about, but I will go ahead and spearhead it. So you just want to verify, obviously the threads are the same size. Make sure we're not, going to cross thread. I see a lot of people say put tape, but this is a brass fitting with a gasket. So I'm going to try it with no tape. Don't know a torque spec either, so I'm going to just wing it on the torque spec and see if it seals, and if not, I'll definitely do a follow-up video. Okay, so I just got the heater element itself started in the hole. It is a little resistant, but I'm going to send it home anyway. Hopefully nothing cracks. The size of socket for this particular plug is going to be 1 1/16. Okay, as you can see there, I was able to get the actual heater, the brass fitting, installed. I torqued it down to 60 foot-pounds. Use discretion. If you want to line the threads with Teflon tape, you can, but I don't see any need if you're able to just use the gasket that comes with the fitting itself. So I can give you an underview. Let's see. There we go. So I have coolant in it, waiting to see if anything leaks before starting it. Once it's running, I'll try and take another video to verify that it's not leaking, and then we'll route the cable.